tower brace. Upper tower brace for the ST. Will we get it done in 30 minutes by the time it's dark? I have no idea, but we'll see. We got 45 minutes, so let's fucking get to work. All right, late start. So I'm gonna try to get one side done today for this strut tower brace. So we need to jack the car up, and we need to, I'm just gonna do one side at a time because, yeah, I don't have time to do both. But at least tomorrow, I only have to finish off with the other side. Should have went from behind the car, but as I'm only doing one side, it should be fine. All right. So, should have enough time to do this one, even though I was already just here. All right, so we got to take those studs out and run these long studs in. Okay. So we'll get that. And I don't even know where I put my 15. That's crazy. I just stay losing tools like crazy. Where the fuck? Well, I will be back once I find the 15. Alright, so you're gonna drive this long 13 mil right up there, if you see it there, before you take out the second one. So if you're lucky like I am, my whole stud came out with the nut, so you know, lucky me. So I'm gonna try to get lucky on the next one, so I'll be right back. So I got the two up there, and if you come around, they should be poking up just like that. So now we'll put the carpet over and we'll cut into the actual carpet to make holes. So let me get a knife. All right, so I cut my slits in my carpet, and it should look something like that. You want the smooth side up here, and you just pop these up with a flat head. But don't worry about bolting that down just yet. You're basically going to rest that top part on it. So that's what it should look like. The stud should come all the way up, and you should be about good. So we still got a bit of daylight. I'm gonna see if I can get the other side done and pull it apart. This one might be a little bit more challenging because of the side. So I don't know. We'll see if I can get it done. It'll either be tonight or tomorrow, so we'll see. All right, we will pick up another day, but that is essentially how it's gonna look in the car. And holy shit, that is gonna look nice. Like I said, we still gotta do the other side, but this side, the screws are in. All I need to do is push down and put in the nuts, and it'll be beautiful. But it looks real nice. It looks real clean in the back, especially with the rear seat delete. it's gonna go crazy. So we'll finish up this install the next day. So I'll see you the next day. All right, next day. And we're racing against rain, of course. It's always something. Which I have an open garage, but I already removed the speaker. So you're just gonna remove 2 10 mils on the bottom, and then 1 on the left side. And then I just twisted that out of the way. I don't feel like taking all this out. Of course you can. And then we got 1 here and 1 there, and just this right here, and it should just pop right out, which I'll probably just throw this on. Should be good there. Throw that. Oh. And then this one's kind of loose, so I don't want to put that much pressure on it, but these are pretty loose. I don't know if the previous owner did some, he definitely did some sub work. Now, we'll come in here and pop that up. And this, well, you could disconnect the battery if you guys want. I'm not, because fuck it. And now this should give you access to these 2 bolts right here. So hopefully I didn't torque these down yesterday. I don't think I did. I didn't. That one's still half loose. Who the fuck tightened that one down? That's insane. Yeah, I left these way too loose. I think they're 50. Damn. My fucking back. It's like I'm fucking 100. Now let's hope. Ooh. Let's hope I get lucky and pull the stud out. I don't. Okay. We'll cross that bridge on the next one. All right. After a bit fucking around, it's actually a 5mm on the end of the studs. So, and it comes out pretty fucking easy. I think I could do, yeah, I could do that with my hand. Studs, easy. Now, you take these big ass bolts and you drive them up, and I believe that is a 13mm. We have this. So we'll kind of put that back. And then I just took scissors and cut just a slit. That's where the bolt is. Where's this one at? Yep. Cool. Yep, that's good. So now we'll tighten that up all the way. Beautiful. Cool. I'll be right back. So they're all in. Now these just pop right out. Pretty easy. And I didn't take the other one off, but I think I'm gonna take this one off just because I don't fucking need it. And now for the block, again, smooth side against. Pull that out a little bit. The fuck is that light at? Oh, it's the light's over there. I am fucking dumb. And we find our holes. It's gonna be trying to wiggle that in the best I can. Did I not go all the way through? I don't think I went all the way through on that. Alright, there we go. Man, I feel like I don't have a lot of stud. I don't know. Like, I just don't feel like I have a ton of it. That is not the right one. It's these tiny ones here. See, I already had all these loose from the battery relocation. So, thank God. And feet. Run that down. Oh, it's okay. Is this too big? Yo. Why didn't anyone tell me I was using the wrong size? That's crazy. I feel like I just had a stroke. So these are 10. That's crazy because I believe I said that at the beginning. Like I even said like, hey, this is 10. This is a 10 mil. Cool. And then this over on the side. Not going anywhere. This is my battery cable. All right. I guess now for this. And this is directional. So, ooh, it's a little snug in there. There we go. Alright, that's kind of insane. I don't know how I'm gonna start those threads. Quick update. So the harness bar is in. Basically what was happening was I ended up having to cut my carpet. I'm having to anyways, just because I am gutting and taking out the back seats. So I really didn't mind, but yeah, the carpet was just too much and the bolts weren't long enough, especially with the washers on the bottom, so, and the top. But this should be good for right now. I mean, it's tight. I still needed riv nuts, but I'm gonna do that when I gut the car. This is more than fine for now. So yeah, and I have extra sub wires, which is great to work around, but it is in. It looks fantastic. So I'm gonna button up the rest of the interior and I'll be right back. Okay, that wraps up that install. Holy shit, that was horrible. It was the worst install ever. I'd rather do toe arms and fucking camber arms all day. But it's done. It is done. So, like I said, this whole thing's gonna get gutted, back seats and everything like that. So that's when I'll do the riv nuts. But for right now, it's on there. I mean, perfect. The only thing left is we have the arms, and that's about it. My God. This was a fail of an install. It was more than a struggle than it needed to be, but it's done. So, and it looks great. Holy shit. So next, we're gonna do the rear arms adjustable, and then I'm not looking forward to that. So, and those will be massive as well. Oh man, but so right now we have the toe arms and the rear strut tower brace, and we just need the rear adjustable arms and a couple more suspension pieces and we should be good to go. But for the most part, suspension's coming along. I'm pretty much doing everything but tuning the car right now, but we'll get to that. I just wanted to, I've been having fun just driving it and cruising, so, but we'll get to tuning here soon. So appreciate the support. It's not really a tutorial video, it's more of watch me fail video, but appreciate the watches anyways. Peace out, guys.